expecting that.
You do? Bless you.
Okay, this would have to be my second favourite top to the one before. Oh my god, I can't stop sneezing. These pants are really nice.
Yeah, they're nice. Bless you. Bless you, mama. Look at that. What is she sneezing about?
Oh, this outfit is actually...
Oh my goodness.
Do.
Baba. Pablo.
I feel like I would prefer to wear these pants with like a black top. Oh my god, these are good twerking.